How to insert formula to sum a column or row of table in Word. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open your MS Word. Then simply click on the area you want your answer in. Then you'll find Table Layout. Clicking on Table Layout, you'll find Formula on the top right side, which is below Convert to Text. Click on Formula. Add your formula if you want, or simply click on OK if you want it to sum. Simply click on OK and you're good to go. As you can see, it has automatically summed up everything. And that's how you insert formula to sum a column or row of table in Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.